operations of one of its plants, which means so many workers are now going to be more secure about their jobs. And on this day, I also want to say that the intervention of our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, went a long way to assist the company to find its bearings and obtain the necessary financial assistance through the intervention of the Chief Minister. I think the subsidy that was overdue was released, which enabled the company to move forward. I have no doubts that the second plant will also restart within a short period of time, and I can say that this has happened because there has been a beautiful understanding between the management and the workers, and it is only when both cooperate with each other, like it has happened in this given situation, that good things happen. I have no doubts that the second plant will also start very soon.
जुवारीच्या जे भुरगे जितले भुरगे आसा हितून कामां चडशे जुवारीचे आसा, सरावंडींग कासालेच्यान आसा, सांकवाळचे कुट्टाचे लोक आसा आनी भरपूर लोक म्हणल्यार आमकां इतलें अशें भिरांत दिसलेलें की सपोज हे कंपनी बंद जाता जाल्यार भरपूर आमकां पंचायती थंय आमकां रेवेन्यू येताले ते सुद्दां आमकां बंद जाताले. बरें आमी हितून सगळें टेंशन आसा कितें लोकांचे मेन भुरगे कामां आशिल्ले ते चडशे हिंगा जाल्यार लोकल लोक आनी ते कामां लागून काम नाशिल्लें तांकां तशें जातालें. पूण आतां एक न्यूज येयला की ते स्टार्ट जाता. आमी सगळे देवा कडेन सुद्दां मागलेले की ते बेगीनचे बेगीन ते कंपनी चालू जावं न्ही. कितें लोकांचे कितले लोक ते कंपनीचेर डिपेंड आशिल्ले, कितले फॅमिली डिपेंड आशिल्ले. एक बरो न्यूज आहा की बेगीनचे बेगीन ते आतां स्टार्ट जावपाचें आनी इट्स व्हेरी गूड न्यूज टू द सांकवाल पंचायत एज वेल एज ऑल द विलेजर्स.